milk is full of gold. I wish there's anyone can help me.
Don't worry, I am here.
Oh, it's Afiq!
So, how can I help you, my friend?
Oh, I need to carry this milk to the hostel to give my cat, but the boat is full. I scared I might steal it.
No matter, let us carry together.
I don't think so. We both might steal it too. Do you have any other idea? What are you going to do with that thing to my milk? I don't understand.
Let me show you. At first, I will put your milk into my evaporator. And then, let us wait for a while.
Few moments later. Much later.
No, it's done. Here you go.
Okay. Wow, my milk has turned into powder. That's brilliant. How actually happened here?
Let me explain.
What actually happened in here is the water particle in milk evaporates, leaving the milk particles behind. This process is called evaporation process. The thing you mentioned is called an evaporator. Evaporator is equipment used to evaporate substance. Evaporation is a type of vaporization of a liquid that occurs from the surface of a liquid into a gaseous phase that is not saturated with the evaporating substance. It is different from boiling. Evaporation is a slow process and it can occur at any temperature. Plus, no bubble appears during the process. Okay, now let's focus on the evaporator. Blue color represents the water molecule, whereas yellow color represents milk molecule. What happens in the evaporator is that a small heat is transferred to the milk where water particles slowly evaporate. The water evaporates because water has low intermolecular force, which means water has higher volatility compared to milk. Therefore, the water will evaporate first. After a few moments, the water molecules left the milk, leaving milk solid inside the bowl. Factors that affecting evaporation process are concentration of air, flow rate of air surrounding, volatility or intermolecular force, pressure, surface area, and the temperature of substance.
Oh, so that's how it works. Thank you, Afiq, for your help.
You are welcome.
Now, come with me. Let's meet my cat.
Okay.
So finally, we have reached destination. Looks, there's my cat.
Ah, hello, kitty. So, by the way, I don't think your cat can drink the milk like that.
Don't worry, I have a solution.
Huh? I still don't get your point.
Okay, now look. First, I will pour this water in the milk and stir it. Sorry.
Poor cat.
Sorry. Now I think my cat can drink the milk.
Wow, how did you do it?
This process is called dissolution. Let
Oh,
me explain to you.
What you just saw earlier is the powder milk dissolve in water and become a solution due to the interaction between lactose molecule and water molecules. Like you mentioned earlier, the blue color represents the water molecules while yellow color represents the milk molecule. So now let's see what actually happened to those molecules. At first, the individual molecules of lactose are held together by relatively weak intermolecular forces. Then, as the water interacting with the lactose molecules, the water will insert itself between of the individual lactose molecules that were once clumped together, and the weak bonds between them are broken, and these lactose molecules are released into solution. This phenomenon occurs because water is more polar than lactose. There are 4 factors affecting dissolution, which are concentration of solvent, particle size, agitation, and temperature.
So that's how it works. Okay then. So I'll take my leave.
Okay, thanks anyway.
Okay, see ya. So let's make a recall. Milk from liquid turns into a solid powder under a process of evaporation.
And powder milk turns into liquid is under dissolution process.
This is what we call mass transfer.